Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday morning market webcast. Okay, so the band ride continued yesterday. You had a spike up as high as 58.75. Now that's been rejected back down a little bit, down as far as 28, down to deal with this 26 to 28 level, which has been, it was resistance last week. It was support the last 2 days, and we're getting into a situation where the bears are going to have to demonstrate to everybody that they are capable of converting 24 to 28 to resistance all over again if they're going to get the bigger move down to test areas like the blue line here, the 9-day, or the daily mid-band. The 9-day comes in about 28.14. Daily mid-band is down about 28.01, just in and around the roundy on the front month chart. Hourly, so we've had this steady move to the upside. Let me back this out one. Really since last Monday. And what we've seen is the potential. I hate that word. Potential rejection, okay? It becomes full-blown rejection when a lower high is made and then a lower low. So you break this 24 area, I think you got another solid 10 handles on the other side of it down to test the 9-day, which comes in right around 28.15. It also tests the low from Friday morning, 28.15, that was rejected all the way up to 28.36. What do the bulls want to do? They want to hold here. They want to hold 26. They need to get up over the top of the Globex high at 42.5 and close, I think closing above this is a little bit much to ask, but if they were able to close it somewhere in this area and demonstrate that either this or something else is a higher low versus this low, then they can save some face today, and they head into Thursday, Friday saying, okay, we've had 3 days of this week. The weekly pivot's way down here. You weren't able to convert it. We can maybe get some directional days going. If we were going to lose the band ride, it would be today, simply because we've yet to engage the upper band. We did have a significant push down. You do have a lower low versus the prior day. So unless they get back up and print, you got to call it 50 to 52 or above, then the band ride would end. But hey, considering it had fairly humble beginnings, the bands were tight, but they weren't incredibly tight. You ended up with about a 5-day ride off the thing, which was nice. All we've been doing is buying dips. Currently, we are short. We were short since yesterday afternoon. We got into a situation late in the day where it kept gravitating back to 50. And I said on the Instagram live thing before the open, my concern was we were going to spend the whole day fighting over 50. Well, we spent most of the day fighting over 50. All this jumbled whatever, it's all fighting over 50. Here's the 50 right here. The majority of the day, all of the morning, bisected that area. Once it converted 48, it was a fairly quick, 15 handles down. So we ended up long 49 and did okay. Short 48 and got stopped out. And then short 48 again, actually 48.5. And then now currently short 48. And, we've taken a bunch of profit on that. We still have a little bit left. And it's, turned into a decent trade. So it ended up being about a 10-handle day for us, which puts us over 24 for the week, which puts us at our goals heading into Wednesday, which is how I always like to be. All right, everybody have a great day. Trade them well. Join us on Instagram, 9:20 for the live hit. We will talk about where we're at and the key levels on the 5-minute chart heading into the open. I will talk to everybody then. Trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.